difference between the for loop and the while loop is that while loop will continue to execute or continue to iterate until a certain condition is true. On the other hand, for loop run for a specified number of time that we have to give in the beginning. So while loop, we can call it's more versatile. We don't know when it stop, but it stop whenever the condition become false. So a while loop that runs a block of code as long as a given condition is true. When the condition is false, the loop stops running. So while loop repeats while the condition is true, while loop to repeat a command while the condition is true. For example, while nail is sticking out, hammer nail. For example, there's a one example which can be very understandable and you can understand what the while loop is. For example, if you want to hammer a nail in the wood, so how many time you hammer it? You don't know in the beginning how many time. But unless and until the nails is coming out of the wood, you keep on hammering it. So when you are hammering a nail, you can't just hit it a certain number of times and expect it to go all the way in. Instead, you continue hitting the nail while the nail is still sticking out. So this problem can be solved with the help of while loop. You can use a while loop to repeat a command or a set of commands while the condition is true. So we can write while nail is sticking out, hammer nail. So this nail is continuously hammered until the nail is go inside. So we keep on repeating this loop, keep on repeating until this condition is met. So the condition is nail is sticking out. So when this condition is true, we hammer the nails. So we have to write a function called function move and collect. You can give it any name, but what it does move forward 3 times and collect the gem. You all know from the term 1 how to write a function. Now what we will do next, we have to write a while loop that will run as long as it is not on close switch, and inside this while loop we have to call the function. So we will write the curly brackets of the while loop, and inside the curly bracket we can call the function move forward. So when we call the function, what will happen? It will move forward 3 times and collect the gem. So how many times this move forward will happen in this while loop? We don't know. This will happen as long as the condition is true, while condition is true. So the while condition is what? It is not on a closed switch. So as long as it is not on the closed switch, it's keep on calling the function, keep on calling the function 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So this is the beauty of calling a function within a while loop, because when we call the function once, it will move 3 times and collect gem. If we call this a while, if we run this while loop 3 times, so how many times move forward will run? Move forward will run 9 times and it will collect 3 gems. Hope you understand. Now we will do a small exercise and you will solve problems. So today we will learn about nesting loop. These loops are a little bit more complicated than the while loop, but if you understand it once, you can easily solve any questions. So today's goal is to use a loop inside another loop to move around a spiral. In this puzzle, notice that the spiral of gems, one at each turning point. To solve the puzzle, you will need to nest one loop inside another. Let's begin. Let's see it closely. This character has to collect all the gems. So in order to collect the first gem, he has to move forward like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, move forward, then collect the gem, turn left. But next time, first time he has to move forward 5 times, then collect the gem. Then again for second time, after collecting the gem, he has to turn left and he have to move four times, move forward and then collect the gem. And then turn left and again, then he has to move 3 times, move forward and then collect the gem. And then turn left and again 2 times, move forward and then collect the gem. So in this way, the number of times he has to move forward changes every time, but the pattern is same. He has to move forward, collect the gem. So we have to write a condition that will help us to solve this puzzle. So let's begin with the inner loop. Inner loop means the loop which is inside the outer loop, and we will write the condition: if is not on gem, then move forward. So in the while loop, the first condition that we will write is: if is not on gem, then move forward. So the first time he has to move forward 4 times before getting the gem. In the second gem collection, he has to move 3 times, sometimes 2 times. So as many move forward it can be possible, he will do, but it's depend upon the number, the position of the gem. So if the position of gem is 3 move forward away or 2 move forward away, it doesn't matter. So in the while loop, we put the condition: while is not on gem, move forward, and then if it is on gem, so what it will do? Collect the gem, turn left. So we'll begin with the inner loop. So watch closely at the inner loop. We will write while not is on gem. So while it is not on gem, what it will do? Yes, it will do move forward. So how many times move forward you can write? We have to write. We will write only 1 time. Why 1 time? Because this loop will repeat. So it doesn't matter. If you write 1 time, it will be enough. As long as there is no gem, it's move forward. No gem, move forward, move forward, move forward. But as soon as it get the gem, so this inner while loop will become false. This condition is not on gem will false. So what program will do? At that time, the character has to collect the gem and turn left. But one more thing he has to find out: at what point this outer loop will stop, how this character will stop collecting the gem. So we have to put a stopping condition in the outer loop. Okay, so stopping condition is that when it is block, it will stop. On the every other gem, it is not blocked, because whenever it collects the gem, it can move forward, collect the gem, move forward. But when it collects the last gem, which is the inner gem, so there is no place to move. So our stopping condition is that is block. So in the outer loop we write while not is block. So while this road is not block, the character will move on. So it will check while is on gem, no, then it move forward. As soon as it finds the gem, the inner loop will become false and the character will collect the gem and turn left. Then again it will check if it is block. No, it is not block. So again it will come inside and it will check it is on gem. No, move forward, move forward, move forward. So again, then as soon as it is on the gem, it will collect the gem and turn left, and then again check if it is not blocked, then again come inside the inner loop. So program will come outside the loop once and then for inside the loop 4 times, because gem is sometimes 4 steps away, 5 steps away. Okay, so now we will run the code and see that this coding is correct or no, and our character collect all the gem or there is some mistake. So we will do the run by step through my code option. This option will move the character very slowly and you will see that which steps of the code is executing when this character is moving. So whenever you want to collect or check your coding, just go through step through my code. So it will be more easy to identify where your program is and where is the error. Let's see how it moves. So this inner loop is running because it is not gem, it is not on gem, so it's move forward. But when it gets the gem, it will collect the gem, turn left. Then again it will check the outer loop. If it is not blocked, it will move forward and collect the gem and turn left. Then again it will see if it is not blocked and if it is not on the gem, then move forward. Move forward, move forward, move forward 3 times. Then if it is on gem, then collect the gem, turn left and check if it is on block, it is block, it is not block. So, and check if it is on gem, no gem. So move forward, move forward. Then if it is on gem, collect the gem, turn left. Then if it is not block, it is not gem, move forward. But if it is gem, collect the gem, turn left. Then again if it is not block, if it is not on the gem, move forward. But if it is on the gem, collect the gem, turn left. Then again if it is not block, then it has to move forward, collect the gem, turn left. If it is not block, move forward, collect the gem, turn left. While it is not block, now it is block. Now it is block in the last stage. Here the program will stop.